So today I'm going to discuss about Socrative.com as a learning management tool, which helps students engagement, collaboration, and effective use of the tools. I'm just going to log in with my existing ID and I'm signing in now. So I can actually launch the quiz and then use the space rockets to select all the options. I can actually create three types of questions: MCQs, true and false, and short answer questions. And these are my existing quizzes, and rooms. I have only one room in unpaid account. Like paid account, you can have more than one room. And reports, it helps me that how they actually performed in my 7 questions or like 20 questions. And then if more than 80% or like 60% of students are not answered one question, so I analyze that and then re-explain the same concept in the same class so that it clarify everything. And results can be shown here. And then now I'm just launching the quiz, and I wish to create a new quiz first. Go to add, and then you can create a new quiz. So when you click a new quiz, like it gives the options, if I wish to create a multiple choice questions, I can create these questions. I'm not showing this one now. So I'm gonna go with like an export button, import button, and click on that. And then I just download the template. So the template look like this. And once you have the template, like I fill all the information. Now I'm changing this as a SCM, SCM4. This is my quiz. I'm saving this and then closing it. And now I just click the add button again, import quiz, and then choose the file and select this file and open it. Now it's created as SCM. So now you can see once you click it, 7 questions are actually created. So, and uh, now I go to launch and then click on space race. I selected the current quiz and then say press next button, and I choose number of teams as maximum is 20, and I shuffle the question, shuffle the answers, and shuffle the final score. I use the space ship as an option to show, and I have 5 minutes. I'm giving 5 minutes time to finish anyone who started the quiz. So, and total number of students can start the quiz is 2020, and I click S, and now you can see all these options. Now I go to another window and log in as a student. And what should I need to do is like simply giving this room number 412 BE 624 to whole cohort of the class, and they simply log it in the next 30 seconds, and then they can compete each other. So room name is 412 BE 624, and then join. So once I join that, it can ask me my name, Hare Krishna, and then I just say done, and it asks me one question. I go with submit and geometry, and I say yours, and I say consumer oriented special approach, and then I say JJ, and every time I do the correct answer, it goes, the bar goes further, and I just seeing this, submit the answer, and next is okay, and so I just completed all the questions. Now I just go and then try to close this quiz and S and finish the quiz and okay. It's taking some time now. Yeah. So if any student not answered the questions, like out of 20, 15 students did the wrong answer for 7, then I actually discuss the same question at the end and explain them to clarify the things. Okay. So nowadays, like students are familiar with mobile phones, they use and this is the best learning and engagement tool they can do whenever they want to on the go. And I use like an MCQs, true or false, and fill in the blanks questions and analysis. After all, I can be able to prepare my future lesson plans perfectly. And this tool has helped me as a pedagogy, evaluation, and student engagement and collaboration tool. I've used Socrative as a learning tool, improve student engagement at the same time, which would help me to change my pedagogy for future lectures. So for example, in my ERP, SCM, supply chain management lectures, I must cover vast content and I need to figure out how much they really understood, and analysis is a challenging part there. In this instance, I have created MCQ, true or false, and fill in the blanks to answer the few questions for every 30 minutes of the lecture. Participation rate is very high and students' interaction with tool is very user-friendly, and results are displayed on the screen, and at the end, I can be able to find how good they are, and analysis is also completed. Socrates online assessment and student response tool. It increases student engagement, collaboration. It also interacting new technologies in classrooms openness, new possibilities for the teaching and learning process. So this is what my content about it. So 4 years, so it's my content.